Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to explain the project that I have done for house rental management system. Let's get into the project. This is the home page. In this home page you can able to see the images which is in carousel manner. I have also provided search icon here. If you want to find the house which is available in particular district, if I am searching Chennai, if there is some admin has posted the any house availability in Chennai, we can able to see it in the tabular format. Like this you can able to search any kind of district. Now I am searching Namakkal. You can able to find the house which is in Namakkal. This is the home page. Now we are going to enter in about us page. This is the about us page. I have just provided details about the project and I have provided the advertisement in the about us page. Now there is a page called all properties. Here you can able to see what are the houses available with the image and its location. Here this is the location where the houses are available, and you can able to see the details like name, status, what is the rent of that house, how many rooms are available, and where is the house is located. You can able to see in map also where the house is located. This is the all properties page. Now I am going to into the login page. I have provided username and password for login. Admin can only able to access the login page. When I clicking the details and when I click submit, it will go into the add property page. Here you can able to add the houses. Now I am going to add one property. I am entering the details now. Status, we have to choose whether it is constructed or under constructed. I have choosing it as under construction. We have to provide the link, then we have to provide the email address, then we have to give the contact of ours, and then we have to provide how many number of rooms are available and how many number of balconies are available, and then we have to provide description. These are all done by the admin. Then we have to give the address. If you are located in some other state like Andhra, then I am just entering status address as Andhra. We can able to get the location through the map where the house is located. Then I am going to insert the image. Then just we have to click register. It will be registered and inserted. Then the admin can able to delete whether if house was sold, then the admin can able to delete. It is available in see details page. We can able to check what are the houses available. Similar to that, available in home page as such, but additional feature is the admin can able to delete. If some house was already sold, then he just want to click delete. Now I am deleting, since assume that the Namakkal house was been sold, so that I am clicking delete. It will be deleted from the database. Then I am going to back. Now I am log out this admin page. Now I am going to search that at this inserted. That is entering Andhra. We can able to see the details of Andhra. That's it. This is the project I have done. Then I have provided the contact us page. In this contact us page, you can able to gather the contact information of the admin, so that if the some house has want to be sold, then they have to contact the admin. Here the map view will be displayed. Due to low network connectivity, it is still loading. Here you can able to get the admin live location in that. Thank you.